not good. Now chain. All those things you're doing, they have names. So now you're chaining. You chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you do your single crochet stitch, right? No picking. Number 2, chain, put it inside. Yeah, now pick up the rope. When you come out, you should have 2. Do you have 2 on your rope? So it's wrong. See, so you're not picking up. Enter. Pick up the come out, you should have 2. Exactly, good. Now pass through both. Go again. Next one. You're picking up, wrong. Enter, pick up, come out, you should have 2. Do you have 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Now pick up and come out. Good. You're picking up the root. You shouldn't pick up anything. You should have 2. Do you have 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.